Painting brick and masonry on an exterior house can dramatically change curb appeal, but requires careful choices to avoid trapping moisture. Start by testing the masonry for efflorescence, moisture content, and existing coatings using a simple moisture meter and a water drop test where a coin-sized water bead should remain on the surface for at least 5 minutes to indicate low absorption. Clean the surfaces with a masonry cleaner and a stiff nylon brush or pressure wash at low pressure to remove dirt, salts, and biological growth. Then allow full drying for at least 48 hours, depending on weather. Repoint or repair mortar defects first because cracked or missing mortar lets water move behind a paint film and cause failure. Use a compatible mortar mix and tool to match joint profile and cure time. If you choose to paint, apply a breathable masonry primer formulated to allow water vapor to pass through while blocking liquid water, and follow with a high-quality elastomeric or breathable acrylic masonry paint applied in 2 coats for uniform coverage and to bridge hairline cracks. For homeowners who prefer less permanence, consider clear masonry stains that tint without forming an impermeable film and maintain more natural vapor exchange. Finally, always plan for moisture management by ensuring proper flashing, grading, and that coatings are vapor permeable so trapped moisture can escape through the masonry rather than be forced inward. 3 common mistakes are painting over damaged mortar or failing to repoint first, which leads to blistering and premature failure, painting with non-breathable paints that trap moisture and cause efflorescence or spalling, and inadequate surface preparation such as skipping, cleaning, or moisture testing, which results in poor adhesion. If mortar is damaged, prioritize repointing and allow full cure before any coating. If a paint film is not breathable, remove it where practical and switch to vapor permeable primer and paint, or use a clear stain to lessen the film effect. If preparation is inadequate, stop and complete cleaning, drying, and testing before painting and schedule work during a stretch of dry weather. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a place where we share project details, contractor profiles, and homeowner reviews so people can weigh aesthetic goals against breathability and moisture needs. We also help contractors find work and participate in our discussion community, where we and other members exchange practical tips on masonry painting and moisture management.